Good evening, I am Mahesh Bhagwat and welcome to my daily program Anyone Can Trade. I teach how simple everyday tools like moving averages and trend lines are sufficient to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty and various stocks. I show how only doing this is enough to pick stocks that are interesting from a trader's perspective. So, what are the objectives of this program? First is financial education. Second is to show that simple things work both in trading and in investments. To highlight that this simple analysis of markets is highly effective. To say that you too can do it. To get people self sufficient in their trading. Finally, to build a community of profitable traders and investors. Please also read the important disclosure. This program is not meant to be taken as an advice to buy or sell. Please do your own research before taking any investment or trading decisions. This program only intends to show how to do simple analysis of stocks and markets and how that simple analysis can be effective. If you have been listening to my program for the last few days, you will hear me say the same thing over and over again. That is, Nifty is between these two trend lines. This is the short-term trend line, and this is the long-term trend line. And so, hence, Nifty is really not doing much. But my MB's STT trading system, which is surfed with the tide trading system, is actually long on Nifty. So that's a point to note. So Bank Nifty, we've been saying over and over again that it has fallen below this trend line, but it has taken support at this 50-day moving average. Today was a volatile day given the RBI policy, but still Bank Nifty has managed to stay above this moving average. So there's nothing more to add here at this moment. We are still on a wait and watch mode in Bank Nifty. This program is all about anyone can trade. So anybody can draw a trend line, right? This is a trend line. What does it signify? It connects the highs. So we've been connecting the high, and anybody who can look at a chart can do this, draw a trend line. Once you draw this trend line, you see that Adani Enterprise has managed to go above this trend line. Not only go above it, it has then come back, tested this trend line, and today has decisively again moved back up. So this makes me feel good about Adani Enterprises, can be kept on the watch list for a trader from a buy perspective. So look at Bata India. This again is the simplicity of this whole system that we have. This is a 50-day moving average, and I keep talking about trend lines 50-day moving average because that's the simplest thing that anybody can do. And if you just do this, you can reflect on this fact that Bata India is moved below the trend line, shown that it is in a downtrend, and then continuously gone back up and got resistance at this trend line. Look at this part. Yesterday was a big day for Bata India, but today was a bigger sell. This candlestick pattern is called a bearish engulfing pattern, and that's pretty dangerous coming at a 50-day moving average resistance. Look at Bosch. Even if I didn't say anything and I just drew these two trend lines, which anybody can do, you will see that it has been Bosch has been between these two trend lines and converging trend lines actually. And then today it has managed to break up above the resistance line. So so doing simple things, doing basic stuff can also help you determine whether there is a potential buy or not in a stock. And Bosch currently looks like it might be on the verge of a breakout. So here we revert to a tried and tested thing. Federal Bank, like several other banks actually in the past, even if you remember RBL Bank day before yesterday, Axis Bank, etc., have come and tested the 50-day moving average. And Federal Bank has also done that. Now, that doesn't mean that you should go and buy that. Whether to buy or not is something that we discuss in our STT trading system that we talk about in that we teach. But in this case, we can say that it has to come into a watch list because it is now at a very low risk reward ratio level. So DLF is like Bata. It has been in a downtrend and it has now gone up and faced resistance twice at this 50-day moving average. Not only has it met with resistance, it has formed a candlestick pattern today which is quite negative. It is a shooting star kind of candlestick pattern and at a resistance of 50-day moving average. So I would put DLF in my watch list for a sell. So same story with Indigo. It has been in a downtrend and then gone up and faced resistance at this 50-day moving average. And two black dark candles are two down candles. I think this is a stock that definitely needs to be on the watch list with a sell perspective. So this is NMDC. It doesn't even need repeating that it has come to the 50-day moving average and then it has been riding along this 50-day moving average. But today's move in NMDC actually makes me believe that maybe this consolidation pattern is over and it might be on the verge of a breakout from here. What we have done for you is to highlight stocks of interest, stocks which are at such levels that a trade can be taken with very low risk to reward ratio. If there is anything close to a holy grail in trading, then finding such stocks will definitely qualify as one. However, finding such stocks is only one insignificant step in becoming a successful trader. The other two are money management and understanding the psychological pitfalls of trading. Along with trading methodology, I cover money management and psychology of trading in great detail in my trading program called STT or Surf the Tide. If you believe anyone can trade, then contact me on the number given below. These are some of the stocks that we talked about in the last few programs, and these are on the watch list. This is just to show that we have talked about these stocks in the past week. If you like what you saw and you want to be notified about our new videos, then please show your love by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to visit www.themoneymojo.com for more on our training programs, podcasts and blogs.